Hey everybody, I wanted to show you some pocket letters that I received. So this one, I sent her the Superman one. So if you see my Superman pocket letter, this is the one I received in return. There's no theme, and there's our choice, whatever, to make whatever we wanted. So this is the one she sent me. So this has dream on the top, follow your heart, it's very pink, enjoy the little things, cool star, I love stars, so that's awesome. See, there's pineapple and flamingos and flowers. It's quite different. I like it. I do like it. So that is the front of it. It's very pretty. And then she made me a tag here. This is fun. She included some tape, which is very cool. There's another like tag right there. And then there's the letter right there. And then there is some stickers right there. And then there's ribbon. And then there's beach stickers. So it's popsicles and beaches and a bike. That's really cool. And then a pumpkin spice tea. And then, yeah, some sticker dots. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I like it. Let's cover up the letter right there. But yeah. So I thought this is pretty cool. I like the tape. The flames is pretty cool. So yeah, this is the one I received from my Superman one. So yeah, I really do like this. It's a nice pocket letter. Okay, and the second one here. Okay, so if you saw my Elvis pocket letter, it's for January birthdays, and I picked Elvis. So this is for January birthdays, and this is the author of Alice in Wonderland. So it says, keys to my heart, keys to the Queen of Heart, and it's a key bracelet. So I thought, oh my god, look at the little bunny paper. I'm like, that's so cool. So it's a bracelet, super cool. And I think she made these on her computer. Welcome to Wonderland. I thought those were really cool. This is this way and this way, and she found ribbon that matched. Arrow ribbon. I thought that's pretty cool. And then that's the Mad Hatter. And shrinking potions. Those like little bottle, those are stickers. She made this really cool envelope. It's really cool. And then there's a quote from the book. And there is a bunny clip. There's pictures in there. I'll have to pull it out for you in a second. And yeah, there's a cool card there too. Very pretty. And then a bunch more tape. Washi tape. I just call it tape. And then there's one with a white rabbit. And then these are like vintage looking Alice in Wonderland stickers. So I'll pull those out and show you. See, look at these cool cards she sent me. Aren't those cool? I've never seen anything like this. So I thought those are cool. And hopefully you can see this. I'll put it in my hand here. Look at that cool bunny clip. It's like a bookmark clip. It's beautiful. Isn't that awesome? And here, I'll pull out the stickers. So look at these vintage Alice in Wonderland stickers. See if I can get it to focus here. Like, look at these. They're like stamps designed by vintage Alice in Wonderland. Little bunnies. Look at that bunny. For the white rabbit. Yeah, this is a very cool pocket letter. Dodo on there. But yeah. I love that clip. I love this bracelet. So yeah, this is an awesome pocket letter. So yeah, so these are two I received. These are all through my Facebook group. So yeah, if you want to get into pocket letters, yeah, just check it out. Check the videos on YouTube and like the ones I've done, and then yeah, give it a try. So these are very cool. And they're both different from my style. So yeah. So yeah, just gotta find your style, and here you go. So these are the 2 pocket letters received. I love them both. So yeah, later.